it's MK, and today, for fun, I really want to put on makeup. I want to put makeup on myself, so yeah. And I just think it would be really fun to see what an 8-year-old could do to herself. So I'm going to just, in the steps, I'm going to say what I'm doing, what this is, and stuff. So first, I have my I have rock your hair palettes. So one from the the summer box, and this other one that I just got separate. It's called Angel and Roses. It's called Angel Eyes. So I have all these brushes, like different kind of brushes. Like so, this one's like the white one right here that I'm squeezing. This one right here is like to blend things, so I might use that one maybe. And these other ones are just like for blush and like eyeshadow and stuff. I have this that is concealer, I think it's called. So it like hides my bag, so I'm gonna do that first. And I'm gonna rub the concealer in with my new Rock Your Hair, what's it called? New Rock Your Hair sponge. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use my mom's lip gloss for my lips. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow base for my eyes so it sticks. I'm probably going to use some blush, little packet of blush, and I don't know where it is. Okay, and I think I might do eyeshadow, no, mascara. I think I might do mascara, maybe. So first, I'm gonna do the concealer. I don't know how to do it really. I think you just like twist it. My sponge. Okay. So look at that. Ew. No. So I think you just like, you can twist it. Okay. I think that's good for now. Now I'm doing this so like goes in my skin and it hides my bags. There's no reason I always have bags. Even if I get more sleep, a lot of sleep. It just stays there for life and like never comes off. I don't go very close to my eyes, but kind of hide the bags. I look like I have a normal face. Okay. I need this to go on my head. Eyes. I'm just gonna put this like on my eyes. So it like when I put the eyeshadow on, it like sticks better instead of like, you know how like glitter or like eyeshadow, like if you sleep it just comes off. But if you like put this thing on, like it's really good for competitions. My mom uses it for competitions. And it's really useful actually, I should say. But right now I'm just messing around. I wonder what colors I should use. I should start thinking about what colors because that's going to be the next step. do my eyeshadow. Okay. Can't really see the difference, but I can. Before. Blush, blushy, blush, blush. Hold on. Stuck. Alright. Here we go. There's your precious little blush. Oh God. That is just a strip of pink. All over my cheeks. Okay. That blush looks fine. Okay. Now I think I can move on to eyeshadow. So, what do you think? Like, look at my outfit. So, like, it's pink, like rainbow. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. Maybe like, maybe like flowers, like pink and green. Okay, alright. Pink and green. That's been decided. Okay. Okay. I really like it. I don't do my makeup on myself a lot. I've only done it like twice. One was like my very first time, and I actually did not that good, but pretty good. The blush was all over my face though. The second time I was doing it, a challenge with my friend on FaceTime. Okay, I'm just putting white on the bottoms of my eyelids. Oh my gosh. There we go. Just put a bit of white on the top. It's gold. Okay. Just putting like, ooh, I think I have the best idea in history. What, gold on one side and then pink on one side. Alright, pink is on 1.5 side. Time for the gold to shine in the light. No, people say I'm a gold person. Yes, I'm a gold person. I'm not a gold digger, but I love gold. If you go home all alone in the games of the wisdom and the wisdom. I really like it. It's really cute. Okay. I think I'm done with the makeup. My eyelashes. Because I look stunning. Student. Okay. Alright. I don't know if I can even trust myself to do this. I did it! Yes. Without it ruining my makeup. It's not a lot in here, is it? Wow. I think I'm rocking it. To make my eyelashes go up. Huh. Huh. That worked, I guess. I think I'm almost done. I know, 8-year-old. I look like I'm a girl in college. And then I'm going on a date with whoever. It's really cool. Honey, where's my purse? It's really cute. I think it's really cute. I really, really like it. And like that. I'm going to see what my mom thinks. Maybe she does. Maybe she does. I really hope she likes it because I really like it too. Yeah, but what do you think?
I think you didn't do a bad job, actually.
My mom didn't think I did a bad job. I'm glad of that because, I don't know, I'm just glad. Okay, bye guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!